Use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others. Links in the description.
So could you tell me a name and what's in here, man?
Joseph Rogers, Norbury, Louisiana. I got 6 PRVs, 8-inch, 4 tweeters. I got 4 Brutal Sound V315s. Shout out to Joey Semino for that. I got 4 Cal 45s, 1.5 each on a 190 amp hour C-Max.
Uh-oh, you already breaking your windshield?
Yeah, I gotta put a strip on it and try to keep it a little longer.
Yeah. Nice. Do you know your tunings on your 6th order?
Yeah, I'm tuned in the 6th order in the back is tuned to 27, the front's tuned to 55.
55, okay.
Hannah Martin designed it with Audio Apex.
Did you build this?
Yes, I built everything. I did everything myself to the score.
Very
Nobody
nice.
else touched it.
That's awesome. You did a good job.
Thank you.
I appreciate it. And this is pretty cool. I've never seen something. That's pretty cool.
So this the silver adapter plate right here. Shout out to Roger Gascott for that.
Nice.
He made that. It came in clutch for me. This, I got some soft parts from Joey.
All right.
And I made my steering wheel.
There you go. I like it, man.
Amazing.
Awesome.
Demo of it?
Yeah, man. Yeah, sure. Yeah, I'd love to hear it. Yeah, man.
Demo?
Yeah.
Alright. I'll play some lows.
Okay.
Some lows.
It's Subwoofer's favorite DJ. wanna do is fuck. She don't love me, she just
Appreciate the demo, man. Nice to meet you.
we don't do this, but I think I'm gonna need a little help from the horn section. Is that alright? A little something like this.
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.